Ekaaro, Ekason, Ekale, at Bitetingbawa. This is CrossBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé tún ti jáde o pẹ̀lú àwọn ìran tó lágbára fún orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà pàápàá jùlọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ owó petrol tó gbé orí sókè. Bàbá yìí ní owó petrol tó gbé orí sókè, a lot of things ló máa affect o, because láti orí petrol yẹn ó máa bọ́ sí orí oúnjẹ, bọ́ sórí everything. Wọ́n nítorí pé bóyá kò sí competition, Dangote nìkan ló ń ṣe léyìí. Wọ́n ní tí Dangote bá lè mú ọwọ́ petrol ìwálẹ̀ kó tiẹ̀ wà ní 450, ara máa dẹ everybody. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá yìí tó fi ìran tó lágbára ránṣẹ́ sí ìlú Ọ̀ṣun. Wọ́n ní gbogbo ìtàn yìí rí yìí ó yìí máa wà brutal jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Then wọ́n lè tún sọ pé Nigerian developer kan ó máa ṣe ọ̀dẹ́ ìṣí bulletproof bọ̀ ọ́n lélẹ̀ kò ṣe oògùn ìbílẹ̀ o, bọ̀ bí technology ṣá ló máa fi ṣe ṣá, bọ̀ wọ́n ní wọ́n máa lépa láti pa. Wọ́n tún fi àwọn ìran oríṣiríṣi ránṣẹ́. Wọ́n ní àwọn ọlọ́pàá àti army wọ́n máa jà nílùú Èkó. Then wọ́n ní àwọn kidnapper tó wà nù gbòyì, wọ́n ní kó má bá wọn ṣe negotiation kankan mọ́. Àwọn negotiation yẹn wọ́n lòun ló empower àwọn bandit tí wọ́n fi ń bu ìwà tán wù. Wọ́n lè tún fò ìkìlọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí ìlú Èkó pé army àti ọlọ́pàá wọ́n máa kọjú ìjà síra wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ àti àwọn ìlú Congo, Senegal, Uganda, many global prophecies wọ́n ti drop. Ẹja àjọgbọ́ àwọn prophecy lẹ́nu Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé. Kẹ́hìn náà kẹ́ máa fi opinion yìí sínú comment. Sọ pé bó bá ṣe ń wá bó máa ṣe ń rí náà ni Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé máa ń drop ẹ̀. So ẹja àjọgbọ́ lẹ́nu wọn. Kẹ́hìn náà kẹ́ máa fi opinion yìí sínú comment.
If the government of Nigeria is very serious, petrol can go for 450, 500. But there's too much of politics in this petrol pump price. Politics. Is anybody ready to tell the government the truth that no, you can do this thing 500, 450. You can make life better for people, because the higher the petrol pump price, the higher everything in Nigeria. The cost of living will rise. Petrol can still go to 450. Dangote can make it even more than reducing the price to 450. But it's the only one that is in the system. There's nobody. If there's more competition, then the petrol price can go down to 450. That is it. In Osun, the election is going to be bloody. The government should want all the parties to calm down. Then I say political shake-up in the villa. Political shake-up. This is to the Minister of Finance of Nigeria. Be careful. Work in unity with your staff, so that you will not do a blunder. You will not do mistakes. That seat is hot to manage it well. That is, in Zimbabwe, the constitution was changed, just as we have said. This extension they give to me is a live. It's going to be live president. The Zimbabwe people does not know yet, but wait till that time. It's going to be live president. When that 2030, it will now continue. Something is going to happen that will make him to continue. So the Zimbabwe, they must watch their live president. They have put the constitution in order to keep the man as a live president. Bracelets. UK will soon be out of bracelets. They'll be out of it. Likewise, I see virus in Europe. I told you here that heat waves will kill people in Europe. It has been killing them now. So I am saying this now beforehand that a virus is coming in Europe. Virus. And there's somebody in Africa, precisely in Nigeria, is going to do a kind of device. The device is going to be a technology device that if you put it up, you can put it in your mouth, you can put it on your head, no gun will enter your body. Technology. It's not spiritual. In Nigeria. But when the Nigerian, when the person starts doing it, they will want to kill him. Because people will hate him. I don't know, it's a device. People who are doing technology, software developers, are going to make money as from next month. They'll be making a lot of money. Software developers. To next year, software developers, they will make money. When I say money, I mean money. Software developers. Syria will be divided though. Syria. The nation called Syria. It might not be now, but the nation called Syria will be divided. It can be north-south Syria, it can be north-east-south Syria. And America, Israel will be interested in division of Syria. It might not be now, but they will be interested. I said something on Sunday. It's an advice. I said, Ogun, Lagos police, let them go inside bush to fight kidnappers, the bandits. They are doing it now. They are on it right now. They are on it. So what am I saying in a nutshell is that when you listen to what the Lord says, it will help you. But anybody who refuses to listen to the Lord's instruction, you will be wrong. Tinubu's strategy will be sold out. Nigeria and Niger, they will fight because of border. Something is coming from Niger against Nigeria military. They must watch. Police and army will fight in Lagos. So let the CP of Lagos watch and the commandant, let them watch very well. There will be fight between police and army. African slot for next World Cup will be increased. And in the next World Cup, Africa will play to semi-final. Africa will get to semi-final. In the upper one, Africa will get to final. And in conclusion, Africa will still win World Cup. In the next 3 World Cup, they are going to win. Then United Airlines in Nigeria, they are going to have expansion in their route. Expansion. Ebola is not yet over in Africa. There is still much certainty that Ebola will be expanded in Africa. However, Gambia, I'm still telling you in Gambia that if the opposition is not careful, they will win, but the ruling party will still maintain it. They will still maintain it if care is not taken. Then in Angola might run into debt. Angola might run into debt. They might run into debt. Then Ukraine. Russia is going to hit Ukraine. That Ukraine might lose a lot. Guinea. They must be watchful so that crisis will not invade the country. Political crisis. Because the president will want to change the constitution. Then the next one that they are going to experience now is DRC. DRC will still have extension in their constitution, and the president wanted to go for another term. But the opposition will not be able to do anything. The Senegalese must watch against crisis in their country. Political crisis is building up in Senegal. Political crisis. However, the two political parties, they will begin to cause issues. Changes of constitution. There will be so many changes in constitution. There will be so many legal activities around the constitution. Notwithstanding, that is not the essence of it all. But if there's election today, Usman Soko will win, while Faye will lose. It's 100%. The president of Uganda must put things together. He must watch his health. There are going to be some certain changes in their constitution. He should not do the changes. It might cause problems. Though the people might be afraid now, but look at what is coming up. Soon, there will be an attempt of coup in this country. But it will not succeed though. That trouble, persistent trouble, they must work against it. Some group of terrorists wanted to come up and want to negotiate with government. If government negotiate with them, they will give them more power. They must stop all this negotiation for us to have a way forward on this insecurity. Bomb scared. Lagos want. Abuja want. In South Sudan, what the president wanted to do is a charade election. Election that people will not come out. Election that will be full of rigging. Election that will be full of deceit. If you do it, it's a main time election that will turn to a major crisis. Opposition will not come out to vote. In Sierra Leone will have 9 places. They will see 9 places oil in 9 places in the country. And the Sierra Leone president cannot complete his good work now. If they want the country to move forward, there is a need for further extension, because it will start a very good project that opposition will never do, that will make the country to be well known, make the country to be better, and God promised him good health. Notwithstanding, people who surround, who gives advice, might betray him. Let him watch of betrayer. However, since Sierra Leone, the opposition will come up with unnecessary protests. Why can't you stop this protest, support this man who will make your country better and move everybody forward? Let's forget about the matter of opposition. Let's look at what is going on now. Can you do it? Can you? Lagos State will arrest some armed robbers, and they are going to break a warehouse where there are ammunitions. Providence Bank, Premium Trust Bank, Globus Bank, Zenith Bank. Watch of fraud. Be careful of fraud. Be careful. Echo Bank, be careful of fraud. Watch, please. It's an internet fraud. Be watchful.